A big concern for many people in the Rhondda right now, and something that could reduce access to services, is the question of bus pass renewal. The current bus pass will no longer be valid after December, so people are naturally keen to quickly get sorted what is for many a lifeline to the world outside their front door. Unfortunately, from day one there have been major problems. For some reason, the applications were only made available online, and we're talking about to pensioners. Some pensioners, of course, are not online and will not have friends or family to help. And the suggestion from Transport for Wales that a carer could help is laughable, because we all know that carers are not given enough time to do their job as things stand. After a week, it was announced that paper applications were going to be accepted. Whether this is anything to do with the Transport for Wales bus pass renewal website crashing and being offline since last week is anybody's guess. Why weren't these bus passes automatically renewed? No one has got younger since they first applied, have they? Minister, will this government take responsibility for this botched exercise, and if necessary, put more resources into this so that no one who is eligible for a bus pass misses out as a result of someone else's incompetence?
Well, I'll repeat what I said yesterday, and I think Leanne Wood was in the chamber when I said it yesterday, and that's the fact that the existing concessionary travel cards will continue to remain valid until the 31st of December. So there is the key message is there is no rush to apply for your new bus pass. We have until the end of the year. And the reason why we have new bus passes is because the current chips will no longer work in the system after the 31st of December, but the new ones will be formatted so that they can work in an integrated transport setting. And we talk all the time about the importance of integrated travel. It is true, of course, that there was a great deal of traffic on the website in the early days, and that did lead to the website crashing, which is obviously unfortunate, but work has been undertaken now to improve the experience and the capacity of that website, and discussions are being had to see how older people can be supported to apply for their bus pass if they don't have somebody to support them with that. And I'm sure the Minister for Economy and Transport will be able to provide further update in due course.